Stop! Don't blink! Your car is hiding features you probably paid for but never use. Imagine pressing one button and your mirrors fold automatically, holding your key and your windows roll down, or your car literally telling you when you're too tired to drive. Sounds premium, right? But here's the truth. Many of these hidden features are already inside your car, waiting to be discovered. And today, you're about to unlock them. The rest stays buried in manuals no one reads, menus no one opens, and buttons no one understands. That's why this video is going to completely change how you look at your car. Let's start with one of the simplest yet coolest hidden features, key fob tricks. Your car key isn't just for locking and unlocking. In many cars, if you press and hold the unlock button, all the windows roll down instantly. Perfect for cooling your car before you even step inside, especially in hot weather. Some cars even allow you to open the sunroof the same way. And if you hold the lock button, windows go back up. Most people never try this. Now let's talk about hidden infotainment settings. Modern cars come with advanced screens, but many options are buried deep. For example, you can customize how your car locks, automatic locking when you drive, or unlocking when you turn off the engine. Some systems allow you to adjust steering sensitivity, throttle response, and even ambient lighting. Yes, your car might already have mood lighting. You just haven't turned it on. Another powerful hidden feature is Follow Me Home headlights. It's simple but incredibly useful. Now here's something most drivers don't realize. Your side mirrors may have a hidden reverse tilt function. When you shift into reverse, one of the mirrors automatically tilts down so you can see the curb or parking line. This feature helps prevent scratches on your wheels and makes parking way easier. But you often need to activate it in settings first. Let's move to safety features that are silently protecting you. Many cars today have a hidden driver attention monitor. It tracks your steering patterns and behavior. If it senses that you're tired or distracted, it gives you a warning to take a break. You might have seen a small coffee cup icon on your dashboard. That's exactly what it means. Then there's emergency brake assist. Even if your car doesn't advertise it heavily, many vehicles can detect sudden braking and apply extra pressure automatically to help you stop faster. In critical situations, this can literally save your life. Another underrated feature is the hidden trunk release options. Some cars allow you to open the trunk by waving your foot under the rear bumper if you have the key in your pocket. No hands needed, perfect when you're carrying groceries. People see this in luxury cars and think it's special, but many mid-range cars already have it. Let's talk about fuel-saving secrets built into your car. Ever noticed an eco mode button? Any drivers ignore it. But when you activate it, your car adjusts engine performance, gear shifts, and throttle response to save fuel. Over time, this can significantly reduce your fuel cost. Some cars even give real-time feedback on your driving style, telling you when to accelerate or brake smoothly. Here's another hidden gem: tire pressure monitoring systems. Your car constantly tracks your tire pressure and alerts you if something is wrong. This ensures more accurate readings and better safety. Now let's uncover a feature that feels straight out of the future: remote start. In some cars, you can start your engine using your key fob or mobile app. This means you can cool down or warm up your car before you even step inside. Especially useful in extreme weather conditions. Speaking of apps, many cars today connect with your smartphone. Through these apps, you can track your car's location, check fuel levels, lock doors, and even get maintenance alerts. It's like having full control of your car in your pocket. Another feature hiding in plain sight is cruise control upgrades. Basic cruise control maintains speed, but adaptive cruise control goes further. It adjusts your speed based on traffic ahead. Some systems even bring your car to a complete stop and then move again automatically. This reduces driver fatigue, especially on long journeys. Now let's talk about hidden storage compartments. These are perfect for storing valuables safely out of sight. Thieves usually check obvious places, not these hidden spots. Here's something fun: customizable key profiles. In some vehicles, each key can store individual settings like seat position, mirror angles, and climate preferences. So when you unlock the car with your key, everything adjusts automatically to you. It's like your car recognizes you personally. Now imagine this: rain-sensing wipers. You don't need to turn them on manually. When it starts raining, your car detects water on the windshield and activates the wipers automatically. It even adjusts speed based on how heavy the rain is. Simple, smart, and super convenient. Another feature that surprises people is automatic high beams. When driving at night, your car can switch between high and low beams depending on oncoming traffic. This improves visibility without blinding other drivers. Let's not forget parking systems. Some cars can actually steer themselves into parking spots. You control the pedals, but the car handles the steering. It's perfect for tight spaces and beginners who struggle with parallel parking. And here's a small but powerful trick: fuel cap indicators. Ever forget which side your fuel cap is on? Look at your fuel gauge. There's a small arrow pointing to the correct side. Most people never notice it. Another hidden feature is speed limiter. Unlike cruise control, it doesn't maintain speed. It prevents you from exceeding a set speed. This is extremely useful in areas with strict speed limits or speed cameras. Now let's talk about something many drivers ignore: manual override options. Even in automatic cars, you can often shift gears manually using paddle shifters or gear mode. This gives you more control, especially on hills or during overtaking. Here's a cool one: auto-dimming rearview mirror. When a bright light hits it from behind, it automatically darkens to reduce glare. No need to adjust it manually. And finally, let's talk about one feature that's more important than all: your car manual. Yes, it sounds boring, but it contains dozens of hidden features specific to your model. Spending just 10 minutes reading it can unlock features you never knew existed. Your car is smarter than you think. It's packed with technology designed to make your life easier, safer, and more comfortable. But if you don't explore it, you'll never use its full potential. Now it's your turn. Go try these features in your car and see how many you already have. You'll be surprised. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment which feature amazed you the most, and subscribe for more hidden hacks and smart tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next video.